Somali wedding, it's pretty special. The reason it's special because the way they perform their wedding, it's what makes actually special. And food, it's a big element of Somali weddings. Hey, hello guys, my name is Tahir. Welcome to my channel. And today I would like to share with you another video. This video is really special, and I would like to share with you 5 things that you should know about Somalia coming up. Let me start the first one. You know, when you see the map of Somalia, it looks like a tiny country somewhere at the corner of Africa. But the reality is Somalia is the size of Texas. If you live in this country, you know the size, how big Texas is. Somalia is one of the biggest country in East Africa. I believe the country, the way the people view is different from the reality when they see what the country looks like. If you've ever been to Somalia, you will know. If you went from north to south, you will know how big Somalia is. I know it's surprising to you that Somalia is the size of Texas. Somali wedding, it's pretty special. The reason it's special because the way they perform their wedding, it's what makes actually special. And food, it's a big element of Somali weddings, where they throw a big feast and they invite family members and they get together and share food. And then what they're gonna do is when they had that food, then they will pray to the bride and the groom. And also one more thing they do is they invite the poor people out there who are members of the, who are connected to the bride and groom. It's a little sad, but Somali have what is called a food scarcity. And the reason that happens is that what is causing that is due to the drought that is not allowing the crops not to grow. And there are over 6.8 million Somalis who are really going through some tough times right now. And some of them, they're really trying to the best of their ability to make sure that they put food on the table for their kids and their loved ones. But sometimes it's really hard. The reality is they couldn't afford that. They don't really know where their next meal is coming from. So that's why you see a lot of people trying to move to overseas so they can give them a better shot for their kids. They're not taken lightly because at the end of the day, we all want to have a good life. Surprisingly, Somalia has a lot of exotic animals. For example, if you go like 30 miles from the capital city of Somalia, which is Mogadishu, you may get a big hug from giraffe or lion or elephant. All these animals, they're friendly. I mean, I'm just being sarcastic. They're not really friendly. They're wild animals. They're not gonna give you a hug if you're expecting a little hug. But for sure, they will entertain you. They'll give you a little entertainment that you need. So it's a beautiful animals that they have out there. Not only that, some Somalis use this for food, including giraffe. They slaughter giraffe and, eat the meat of the giraffe. And it's pretty normal in Somali culture. Since 1991, since Somalia collapsed, Somalis have been fighting each other because they believe that this thing, what's called tribe, your tribe is better than mine and your tribe is better than mine. And then what happens? Oh, okay, let's fight and see who's the winner. And they kill each other. That's why people like myself who flee from their country due to that civil war. So the reason I live over here because I was looking for a better life. My family, they were looking for a better life. That's why they moved to this country. And there's millions of others who do the same thing. Yeah, that's the 5 things that you should know about Somalia. I know some of them is surprisingly, but at the end of the day, you have a knowledge right now. So thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and share with your friends, and thank you.